And we got a nice 56 Ford pickup. It's lowered. I like how the hood has been changed to tilt forward. I don't think it was like that originally, of course. MSD ignition. I don't know Fords, man. What's that, 351? I have no idea. It's got the serpentine belt system in it. Oh, here you go. 351. Windsor. 490 horsepower. C6 auto. It's got the big C6. Automatic transmission, Ford 9-inch. 4-link coil over. Custom box frame. Stainless exhaust. Tilt steering column. Oh. Coated digital dash. That's big bucks. And you got your MSD ignition. You notice how you got to come in with the steering. Got a Wix oil filter on it. See, that's when you buy good oil filters. You know that, right stuff. So you can put cheap oil filters on a car like this. Right?
You hear me?
Huh?
I said, if you want a picture, you have to vote. It's our car.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Just kidding. You can have all the pictures you want.
Yeah. So aluminum radiator, cooling fan.
He's right back there with the black shirt on.
Oh, okay. It's kind of like burgundy brown. This looks like it's hydraulics. In other words, you probably press a button to lift that up. So definitely a truck that doesn't do any hauling. It's Northeast money down in Florida. That's what it is. Northeast money down in Florida.